Well, if you're not fan of green beans, then you must try this recipe. It's a green beans curry with few secret ingredients will definitely make you want to try this recipe. And great recipe starts here in my kitchen. So welcome to Sanam's kitchen, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get to see the videos first. So to start the recipe, we're going to wash and chop the green beans. I have here about 1.5 cup of beans. And to that I'm going to add salt and red chili powder and turmeric powder and coriander powder and garam masala, and give it a mix. And we are going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it soaks all the flavors from the spices. So keep this aside and let's prepare the tempering. So I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil. To that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garam seeds, ajwain, and then ginger and green chili paste. It gives such a nice flavor. And then pinch of hing or asafoetida. And then we are going to stir fry this for a few seconds. Keep the flame really low. We don't want to burn any of the spices. Now we are going to add the secret ingredient number 1, that is a gram flour or besan. We are going to add about 2 tablespoons, and then we are going to roast it really well so that the raw flavor goes away. And keep the flame low still. Now it turns really aromatic, and then we are going to add the beans that we have spiced up. And then mix really well. We wanted to make sure that the spices is very well coated. Now this gram flour will add a really nice flavor, and it will be a thickening agent to our gravy. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water to this, and we are going to turn up the heat a little bit. So turn to medium to high, and then we are going to cover this and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. So after 5 to 7 minutes, you can see that the beans have softened but not yet completely cooked. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for a few more minutes. And then now after a few minutes, I checked the beans are really tender and they are perfectly cooked, and you can see the color is not changed. It is pretty bright green still. So at this point I'm going to add the garam masala and red chili powder, and then a kasuri methi, which I'm going to crush between my palms. It gives such a great flavor. And stir this, mix it really well. And then I'm going to add one more secret ingredient, which is yogurt. So I have whisked the yogurt like about 2 tablespoons and then add it. Also, if you like to add 2 teaspoons of sugar, which will balance the flavor of the yogurt. So and our curry is perfectly done. And I'm going to garnish it with some sesame seeds so it looks really pretty, and you can see the color have not changed. You can serve this with roti, paratha, or side dish with steamed basmati rice. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.